Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came with a new video on Deloitte National Level Assessment, that is for LPA, and this is for round 3, that is communication round. Okay. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay. Now let us go into the video. Instructions, because these 3 rounds are conducted on online based. Okay, make sure your laptop is good and your network speed is good and your video and audio should be in on and those are in good quality. Okay, now rounds. The first one is written test. I have made 5 videos on written test and I have given the questions as well as answers for that. If you are new to the channel, please go and watch those all videos so that you can crack your Deloitte exam, because I have provided all the asked questions which were asked in Deloitte exam in those videos. Okay, and it contains of quants and logical as well as English, computer fundamentals and coding section. Okay, the one who clears the written test are eligible for the interview. You will get mails, don't worry. It is occurs through the mails only. You will receive a mail for your interview. Okay, interview is also on online. I have made one video on interview. Okay, I have gathered the inputs from the the one who faced the interview. The interview is nearly 45 minutes. Okay, 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, I have given the questions which were asked and I have provided the solutions for that also. And recently I have gathered information about the interview that it is purely based on your resume. If you put about in your resume, if you mentioned that you are good with cyber security, cloud, in all those one, then you are going to face the questions from cloud only. Okay, one of my friends resume is filled with cyber security and resume. Okay, then he faced the questions that what is cyber security and networking and Java oops and protocols. Okay, and what is his biggest mistake in his life. Okay, and maximum they have asked all the questions from networking. Okay, and Java oops concepts, you are aware of it. I have also done many more videos on that. Please go and watch if you are new. Okay, that is the thing with the interview. Coming to the communication round. Okay, it is as like as an accenture. Okay, but the communication needs good quality of network. Okay, few of my friends faced the problem with the communication round. They have cleared the written test and interview and they are qualified for the communication round, but in the communication round they have failed. Okay, don't neglect the communication round. Due to the poor bandwidth network speed, she disqualified. Okay, first she has given the communication round, but later she got a mail to retake the exam. She has retaken the exam, but there are no mails further because she is disqualified. Okay, so while writing the communication test, be sure you are giving your things in a good environment with no noise. Okay, that is the thing with Deloitte. If you want more and more videos on Deloitte, please put it in comment section. I will gather more and more information for you. And be sure while giving your exam to the communication round, they will give you mails to retake the exam. Then you must take the exam to retake it. Thank you. If you are new to the channel and if you feel this video has informative, please hit a like and share the video and subscribe my channel so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you.